everyone, welcome. This is Aisha. Are you looking for the best web development course? We can recommend some of the best courses for you. You can choose from the best. You can find everything you need to become a professional web developer, data scientist, web automation engineer, or software engineer. How long it will take to become an expert? You can become expert in just 3 to 6 months. Web developer, data scientists, web automation engineers, and software engineers make 85 to 200K on average. And they are always on demand, and supply of them are always limited. Are you kidding with us? No, I'm serious. Web development, software development, and data science industry needs more and more people, while only 3% people around the world can code and program. Some of the best coding bootcamp course links are given below. Check now. And if you don't have a laptop, don't worry. We have leave some best laptop links down below too. You can find your laptop, DSLR camera, smartphones, headphones, and many more. All high quality product links are given below. Check now. Why I'm so confident? Because we recommend only the best courses that we attended and 100% satisfied with. Every single penny will worth. Frankly speaking, the best product links are furnished below for you. Check now.